Hi there, I'm Abdul Wasay and I wanted to take a moment to personally thank you for joining our community. I want to share a personal story with you, one that how I changed my life forever. At 18 years old, I was trapped in a cycle of wasting time like social media, video games, endless distraction. They consumed my life. Every day felt like a blur, leaving me empty and unfulfilled. I know deep down that I was countering precious time, but I felt trapped. I didn't know how to break free. One night, as I lay in a bed, staring at a ceiling, a wave of panic and rage overtime over me. The thought of spending my life in the aimless routine terrified me. I realized I need to make a change. Determined to turn my life around, I made a promise to myself to break free from the chains of wasting time and pursue financial freedom. I started waking early, dedicated the few hours in my day to learn personal growth, and I devoured books on entrepreneurship. I devoured books, YouTube videos, and countless routine that I was facing in my life and joined online communities for like-minded individuals. The journey was anything but smooth. Slowly but surely there were moments of the self-doubt, nights of endless routine and research, and they obstacle only fueled my determination to keep going. Despite the difficulties, I began to see progress, discovering the power of affiliate marketing and online business ignited a fire. Slowly but surely, my efforts paid off. My YouTube channel gained traction. My field marketing efforts started generating income, and I earned my first dollars online. The sense of accomplishment was indescribable. Today, I stand as a testament to the power of transformation from a time-wasting teenager to an independent entrepreneur. My life has changed in ways I never thought possible. I wake up every day excited, living a life of purpose and passion. My journey is far from over, but I embrace every change, every challenge with the confidence that I have the strength and the determination to overcome anything that comes in my way. Thank you for being a part of the journey with me. I'm here to help you achieve financial freedom and living a life of purpose. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and inspiration. Don't forget to check your email for more valuable content. I can't want to see you on our side. Until then, pushing forward and never giving up on your dreams. Thank you.